Bit of practice with the photoelectric effect next. The energy of a photon is hf, or hc over lambda, and putting your numbers in, you get this. Remember to put the unrounded value because it's a show that question. And then we've got a really unusual bit for the next bit. So in this kind of question, basically see what you can calculate. If you can calculate something, do calculate it. And then once you're in that new position, you can look again and see what else you can do. So here I knew the energy arriving every second, and I knew the energy of each photon, so I've worked out how many photons per second are hitting the plate. But only 1% of them are going to be absorbed, so that's that many photons per second. Now we already know that each one of these photons is going to cause the photoemission of an electron because the energy of the photon is bigger than the work function of the metal. So each one of these photons is going to cause an electron to be emitted. So we've actually got this many electrons per second going past, and hopefully you can now see that we are home and dry because the current is going to be the number of electrons per second times the charge of one electron, and then we'll get the charge per second. And you do want to treat it like a normal question, but if you want at the end you can say, and that's about 4 nanometers because it's an estimating question. But this line here is the one that's going to get you all the marks.